In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Opera GX suggestions. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that this process works on any version of Opera GX, okay? The first thing you need to do is click at the top right corner on these three lines, Easy Setup. Then you will scroll down and you will find this option, Go to Full Browse Settings. Okay, and you will come to this page. After doing that, you will click at the top right corner again on the search bar, and you will search for this use space A space B, and you will find this option, Use a prediction service to help complete search and URLs type in the address bar. So turn off this page, and you will turn off the Opera GX suggestions. I hope I helped you on how to turn off Opera GX suggestions. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.